is there an automated website for career orientation that takes into account the salary, the working hours, the travel, the basic math of your interests, for example? Yeah. So the best website for that is called Glassdoor. And let me go there really quickly with you. You can find out a lot about a company. I do a lot of research on companies this way too, private and public. So if you go here, you type up any company you're interested in, and it will tell you how much people make, what people think of the CEO, and the perks or benefits of working there. So let's type up Ford. All right. Whoops. Let me try it again. Ford. Okay, let's go Ford. I don't know why it's in Indiana. Let's go Ford, Michigan, I guess. Michigan. Search. Here we go. And what you can do is, and if you're worried about using your real name there, for obvious reasons, you can always use a nickname when you register, if you register. But here you can find out that at Ford, in Michigan, Dearborn, the headquarters, if you want, you can be a product owner, that's the title there, and make between $71,000 and $110,000. And you find out about the job here, and you can learn more about the company and how people rate the company. So you can find out about what people think of Jim Hackett, the CEO, and that's actually a pretty low approval. Usually it's over 90% on average here. And you can read why and just look at all the reviews as well. Salary reviews, benefits here. For example, wonderful insurance, great coverage, employee discounts, 401k plan, which is the retirement savings program. There's a lot of great perks actually for working at Ford. Yeah. So I would use Glassdoor to do your research on companies when it comes to compensation or general remuneration in terms of other benefits you get. And you can read the reviews of what other employees say, positive and negative.